How's it going, everyone? VP Nation Tim here. We are at the KCI booth, and we're going to talk about some of your mags and your new helmet that you recently came out with.
Yeah, so the big push for the magazine side has been for the last couple of years has been our polycarbonate magazines. So polycarbonate construction, stainless steel, high-powered spring, losing my damn head. But tool assist assembly, and the big thing is our patent on an internal steel feed lip.
Dude, and that's super important without it splitting and breaking and stuff.
Well, it makes it great because you still have the reliability of a metal feed lip, but still, rather than being an external model, it has the ability to shear, deform over time. It's protected by 2 layers of polycarbonate sandwich in there. So, like, we've done videos slamming this on AR 500 steel, and those feed lips don't deform or anything.
Dude, that's awesome.
So we love these. We got the 30 and we got the 21 rounder. We launched SHOT Show for like DMR work, SPR, stuff like that.
Yeah. So when you're in the prone, working off a bipod,
100%, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little easier. You don't have to kick out your bipod.
This specifically has been a passion project of mine. I love to do a lot of long-range 5.56 work. So
yeah,
really been happy with these. And then in the near future, we'll have our high-vis purple followers available. Still moving through some inventory of the black.
Okay, so the current magazines come with the black follower.
If you order it today, yeah, you're going to have a black, but hopefully by end of year, we'll be moving into purple. So actually, our Glock 17 mags are already shipping with the purple follower.
Okay, cool. So you said Q4 for the purple follower?
That's
awesome.
Estimated, yeah.
That's awesome, man. And then MSRP on the 21, you said 21?
This is a 21, yeah.
And 30. What's the MSRP on these?
Both are about $21.
$21,
yep.
Super fair. And you still have the texturing like your other mags on the outside.
Yep, our old like black polymers, they're kind of what we kind of call it inside our nobular texture.
Yep.
And then translucent, so identical round count, things of that nature.
That's awesome, man. And then talk to us about your helmets here. Super interesting. It's something new that you guys have recently been doing. So yeah, tell us a little bit about your helmets.
So we are launching our sister company, Combat Defense Industries, literally this weekend. The website is live, going into ballistic armor and PPE, starting with what is now the Bighorn ballistic helmet. It's a 3A rated ballistic helmet, so 3A for most of your standard handgun cartridges, 9mm up to 44 Magnum.
Yep.
Full NIJ tested. And then our factory in Korea has been doing helmets for quite a while, but we wanted to bring that technology over, get some American flair on it for the American market. So ARC compatible side rails. You got your fit band adjustable ratchet system in the back, and then our take on a night vision shroud with a 2-piece system, so a polymer housing with a billet locking block, so for our rock solid fit, rather night vision thermals, whatever.
Yeah.
And then for extra retention, we actually have 2 sets of retention feed bands depending on your device.
Yeah, that's awesome. So it helps keep the weight down without having an all metal shroud.
100%, yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. And compatible with all of your mounts out there, Wilcox.
Everything we've tested, yeah, like all your breakaways of that nature. Like we have not found one so far that has not been compatible, but we haven't tested every single thing yet.
Okay, and then the padding system inside is actually, it looks simple, but it feels so comfortable. Is this your padding system?
So this is our padding. Like I said, this is all produced in Korea. It's a really versatile system. So a lot of the padding is a 2-pad system. So like depending on your head, you have the inner piece as well as kind of the more foam piece.
Oh, so you can make it thicker, smaller.
Exactly. Everyone's got different heads. I have a really round head. Yeah. That's not like someone like you have more narrow. So again, like you're going to modify different. Everyone's a little more different by way of fitment.
Yeah. So you can change how thick the pads are depending on where you need to get rid of the hot spots when you're wearing.
And also due to the cut, a lot of your like ops core style padding systems, as well as like helmet covers, are drop-in accessories for this helmet.
Awesome. And then if somebody did want to switch out the retention system, it's compatible with all of your other like Team Wendy. And
we've done some testing on different like chin straps and stuff, not fully, so we will have that information here shortly.
Okay, perfect. Not a problem, because we are going to get some of these helmets on the channel to do a in-depth deep dive into these helmets, and give you guys some feedback and make sure that you guys have all the information that you need to make an educated decision on this helmet.
Yeah, no, we're really excited. Like I said, if you want to pick it up, we actually are. They're on sale now, and we actually are doing an introductory price until September 1st. So combatdefense.net if you want to head over, and we have FDE, we have black, as well as we have OD green by way of color options.
Perfect. And then MSRP?
MSRP is going to be $599.
Okay.
But right now, like I said, there's that introductory price we're doing until September 1st, $499.
Okay. Perfect. Awesome. And then all of the Velcro, all of the attachment, it comes with it, correct?
Yes. Like this helmet, as you see, is like you have your wing lock mount, you have your little pick rail, swivel clips. what I'm holding in my hand is what you receive on your order.
Yeah, and I really like the fact, can you switch it around real quick to see the swivel mount right there? So if you're running NVGs, it's super important to run a counterweight pouch, which is exactly what that's for. So it's really cool that it comes with that, because normally you have to buy it separately when you buy your counterweight pouch. So I like that.
We want people to have the versatility to be able to build it out from the get-go, not have to buy a ton of accessories, like even like the corner clips for like respirators and stuff like that. Like that is an option as well.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. Thank you for your time.
No, we're excited.
And thanks for showing us that.
Thank you so much.
All right, stay tuned to get this helmet on the channel for an in-depth review.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys, we are now here with Maverick Tactical. I'm with my buddy Patrick here. He's going to explain some of the plates that they make. Take it away, Patrick.
All right, thank you. Hey, appreciate you guys coming by.
No, thank
Good to see you guys. Yeah, so we're body armor manufacturer out of Burlington, North Carolina, and we do plates anywhere from a 3A, level 3A, which is going to be your handgun rounds, right, at about 1.1 pounds. That's going to be even a buoyant plate, right? It's going to be able to float.
Yeah.
And so we do that, and then we move up to the level 3, 3+, and then we also have level 4 plates. The one you happen to have in your hand is my favorite plate. It's the plate I run. It's called our YM2 plate. It's the max plate, and I'll explain to you why. Number one, this incorporates polyethylene in the back and then also ceramics in the front. The ceramics in the front of this are a silicon carbide ceramic. Silicon carbide is a hard ceramic. It's an expensive ceramic. It's a lightweight ceramic. That's why you're feeling that plate at 4 3/4 pounds. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, this is really light. It's deceiving. You see the plate's a little thick. It's definitely not the thickest plate we've seen on the market. But yeah, I mean, I wish you guys could actually feel the weight of this. I feel like I could just yeet this across the room with zero effort. Now this plate, it's multi-curve.
Yep.
Multi-hit rated standalone.
Standalone, that's exactly right. All of our plates standalone and all of our plates multi-hit. We have all of our testing done at Chesapeake, which is the NIJ testing lab in Maryland.
Okay.
There's 5 NIJ testing labs in North America or in the United States, and so we go take ours to Chesapeake.
Okay.
And so this is a multi-hit. You can see our data online where these have been shot.
So you have that NIJ certification with these?
This particular plate is not a certified plate. We do have a couple plates that are certified,
but it meets the NIJ standard.
That is correct. This is a compliant plate. It is sent to a NIJ certified lab.
Okay.
It is shot with the same criteria as all the certified plates.
You just didn't pay an arm and a leg to get that certification.
Yeah, it's a big. Yeah, we could go into a big discussion about all that.
Yeah,
you have to send a bunch of and it costs a lot.
A lot of money. Yeah.
So unfortunately, those costs have to be passed on. With the compliant, it's not as expensive. We don't have to pass all that cost on.
Yeah. Now, you were just talking about, before we got on camera, the material inside and the shape. And can you tell more about that? I don't want to say anything in case we can't talk about it.
Absolutely. So the ceramics that are in our plates are a hexagon ceramic, and so they're about 1 inch around. And so you've got a tile array per se that you're going to have in here. That's what allows that plate to be multi-hit capable. So you're actually going to, if you hit down in this bottom corner, you're only damaging the ceramics in this area.
And not compromising the rest of the plate.
That is correct.
Yeah.
Now, once you hit it several times, it's obviously...
Well, you're not going to stand there either.
Right. Hopefully you only get hit. Hopefully you don't get hit at all.
Yeah.
If you do get hit, hopefully you're not getting hit more than once or twice, right? So, but it is definitely a multi-hit capable plate. We have a little padding on the edge, but we take the ceramics over to the edge, which is critical.
Yeah.
We do want to make sure that ceramics cover all the way down, all the way around.
Yep.
Some plates you can buy that you get a 10 by 12 plate, but you get a 8 by 10 ceramic.
Exactly. Yeah, because the
comes
ceramics come too far in. What kind of backface deformation have you seen with the rounds that this is rated for, which is up to your 62 grain 5.56 green tip?
So we have all that information online. My knowledge, we're in the 30s, upper 30s with that backface deformation, 4 millimeters.
Okay.
Right.
Now, is this like a 320? Is it drop safe? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I hear you. Well, it was funny. There was a gun show. We do some gun shows in North Carolina, and another company had put online. They're doing a $320 special with some steel plates.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah, the SIG. Oh, that was terrible. Yeah. But anyway, no, it is drop safe. I think ceramics are a little over what's the word, over dramatized or whatever as far as droppage.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you drop,
somebody drops in, they're like, oh, I have to get my plate x-rayed now. No,
right,
you're
no,
okay.
That's exactly right. This, with the edge protection and all, you'd have to drop it from a long distance on a concrete surface.
Yeah.
And, to really have any effect on that.
Did I already ask you about backface deformation?
Yes.
Okay.
And all that criteria is online.
It's on the website. You
Yep.
said.
Yep.
Perfect.
All of our plates online have that. Our ZM2, which is our level 4 plate, and it's called the ZM2 Max. It actually incorporates the same silicon carbide ceramics, and it is one of the lightest level 4 plates on the market.
Okay.
It's about 5 3/4 pounds. And
oh, wow.
Yeah, and again, incorporating those silicon carbide ceramics are really phenomenal.
Yeah.
And again, multi-hit standalone plates.
Awesome. And then MSRP on the YM2
The
Max?
YM2 MSRP right now is $399.
Oh, very fair.
Yeah, and the ZM2 is $499.
Again, very fair.
Yeah, so that's our hard plates. We do soft armor as well, but that's the hard plate side.
Cool. Awesome. Well, thank you for your time, Patrick.
Awesome.
Yeah.
All right, Tim, thanks for letting us, chat with you for a few minutes.
Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get one of these on the channel and put it to the max.
See what happens.
Yeah, see what happens. Yeah.
Sweet.
Awesome. Thank you again,
All right.
Patrick.